everybody, welcome back to another vlog. So I am on my way to the hairdresser. Oh my gosh, y'all, it has been months. I have been putting my hair back in one, and tomorrow is my birthday and I want to have a proper nice hairstyle. I am not accustomed to, who would have thought that I would have ever said I'm not accustomed to having weaves and wigs on my head. I put them on, but not for extended periods. Like my head, like it just can't take it anymore. And then it's so hot. It is so hot. Today it's actually rainy and overcast, so it's cool-ish, thank God. But yeah, so I am going to get my hair cut, and I am really excited. A few times I have had haircuts and they weren't great, but I am cautiously optimistic that my hair turns out, well, the cut suits me and that I like it. Y'all was trying to put on eyelashes and everything, but it just was not working out. And of course I am running a little late. Provided there's no traffic, I should probably get there like maybe spot on or 1 or 2 minutes late. But yeah, I had in my head that I was gonna leave at a certain time, and of course time got away from me and it did not go according to plan. So yeah, well, I actually kind of on time and just hoping that I can find the place easily. I think I know where it is, but we shall see. God, I don't know how I can last for hours in this mess. Okay, so my hair is not done. I just put in the treatment. Well, they just put in the treatment. And it was under the dryer for a bit. But I'm going to move my car. Like, look. Y'all can see how rainy and miserable it's looking. It's absolutely rainy. Like, some places even flood out. So the rain kind of eased a little bit. So I'm just gonna move my car and park closer to the salon, so that if the rain comes back down hard, that I don't get caught and have to walk like any great distance. So that's the plan. Oh, I'm now done. I like it. I like it. But obviously, as with most hairstyles, I can't really feel it out until I put on a full face. It's not even raining, but I got this umbrella because the amount of heat that my head took, I ain't about to mess up these curls with the rain. So yeah. Oh boy, the hairdressers took the whole day. So gonna go home, get some lunch. I'm tired. And tomorrow's my birthday. This is the final look. My hair is smashed on a little bit. I tried to curl it, but it is what it is. I will get a full body so y'all can see the outfit and everything like that. But yeah.